With a house full of cats, tensions can run a little high, so I picked up this Chewy hemp calming soft chews for cats to help reduce their stress and anxiety. This one is chicken flavor, and these guys think it's treat time when these come out. But in reality, it's more of like settle down time, but they love them. So much so that they literally are stepping on each other to get at them. I also use these when it's time to go to the dreaded vet's office because it does help keep them calm in the car ride and then a little bit more relaxed when they get into the office. So check them out. Chewy's Hemp Calming Cat Chews.